This jacket is the best beside the red jacket. Did I show you all of my jackets, by the way? Or I only showed you my pullovers? Because then I can go for a jacket session for you guys if you want, you know? Did I show you this jacket or not? I don't want to do this stuff again. But you have to tell me, did we already do this? You didn't? Only sweater collection. Okay, then I can show you my jackets. Okay, first of all, you know the jacket I'm wearing right now. And as always, feel free to tell your opinion. This is the one jacket, let's go. So, gonna change quick. Then we got next jacket in the game. This one, also teddy bear jacket. Well, it is 10 out of 10, I think so much. As always, I'm doing this because I like it more cropped. And yeah, this is my teddy jacket number 2. I don't know if I ever showed you this one, but I really like it. Oh, this is new now. Everything of my jackets is pretty old. But yeah, I like you can see the texture, you know. I love it. Okay, next jacket. Speaking of teddy jackets, this one is the other jacket you guys already knew. The one with the face. Okay, I think this one looks better than the other one, but the material of the other one is pretty nice. So, his room will be a mess after this one. Yes. Okay, next jacket. Then the OG jacket that is with me since the longest time. And yeah, whenever I was going out and my family is so mad at this jacket because I never bought myself a really winter jacket and it's not so warm actually. And they were always telling me, hey, please buy a winter jacket. And I was, since the 9th grade or so, I had this jacket, the OG jacket. I think some of you also know this from old streams, you know, the classy. But I really like this material as well. Maybe you can see it. It's cord. I don't know if you know what I mean. Hey, and this 20 euros. As I told you, my parents were pretty mad at me that I was wearing this jacket all the time, also in the winter times. And then I thought, okay, let's change it up. And then I went for this one. This is actually not a jacket, it's a pullover. But you can see me 90% of the time in Germany in the winter times with this one and a hoodie under it, you know. But I think this is also one of my favorites. Also for 25 years, I think. Yeah, 25 years, you know. Hey, this, I don't know, one of my favorites as well. And also this, it's so, I don't know, nice. Oh, 2 minutes left. Oh no. So, then we are having this jacket. The jacket I got from my mom because it's a jacket that my mother bought when she was 20. And it was already vintage at this time. And it's actually one of my favorite jackets because I like the color. And because nobody got this jacket. Because it's vintage, you know. The Berlin jacket, yes sir. The Berlin jacket. Hey, you guys know your shit. Then, oh, another favorite jacket of mine. So, hey, this is also one of my favorites, especially because I like it to wear it in the summer times, and the material is also pretty nice. Oh no, broke the camera. I know, maybe you can see it. It's also cord, you know. Wait. What do you think about this one? This looks cool. It looks like army. Jack on summer. Yeah, because it's not too hot always in the summer times in Germany. Alright. So, then this one I wore yesterday in the late night talk, and it's actually also one of my favorites, but I would say in the top 5, but yeah, maybe on the 5th place, because it is also from a vintage store, and I googled the original brand. It was pretty expensive and I got it for 40, and I really like this, the stuff here, you know, and also the pockets. I don't know, even though it looks a little bit weird now in the camera, but yeah, maybe it's because of this stuff I'm wearing under it. Okay, Oh, 34 seconds left. Okay, I will go for a quick session. So I can't wear them all, but yeah, this is just a rain jacket. Also a jacket I got from my mom. I really like it as well. And oh, this is something I got for got when I was when I first hit the stage where I could wear jackets for older people, and it's actually leather, and this is something I got for Christmas, and I was so proud of it even though I'm not wearing it anymore. Then we got this also from a brand, Levi's, you know, a normal jacket, but I don't wear this as well anymore. And also I have two of them as well because my roommate got me two. Oh, there's another jacket I could show you. Okay, wait. It's also, I don't know, but I don't wear this anymore. There's a school jacket from the school time. And the last jacket, the blue one. And I think I just wear this in this session right now. It's also, I don't know, I like this stuff on the inside, but yeah. There's way too many clothes, yeah. I don't know, I just never gave this stuff away, you know. Because I think I can always use them. Yeah, this is the last jacket for today. Hope you enjoyed this jacket session. Der Jackenboss. Yeah, that's all. So, before we start, let me know what's your favorite jacket of the collection. But as you can see, it's also a little bit more skinny, and now the most of the stuff is more oversized right now at the moment. Best jacket collection, hey, thanks so much. I like the late night talk one, hey, thank you so much. The red mom jacket, oh yeah. I can give you in the next session maybe my top 5. I like the first jacket you wore from the beginning. You look like a Formula racer. Hey, thanks so much. The khaki one was cute. The red one of the same field that you're wearing. Oh, the first one, the red one. Hey, I see. The first in the red. Die Jeansjacke war jetzt nicht so der Burner. Hey, 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 hey. Ja, das habe ich halt in der Schulzeit getragen, als ich in der 9. oder so war. 9., 10. Klasse. Alright, the first one. I see. It's a battle between the first one and the mom jacket. Alright. Okay, we go for the next session. Hope you enjoyed this small break. Now I have to clean my room again, but it's okay.